Desk. A lot of guys was just messaging me on my Instagram, wanted to know that how did I ended up making around, I would say around $18,000 I made on last 2 days on the USDCAD. They just want to know that they wanted me to break down the trade for them. So let's just quickly break it down. Okay, once the price failed all the way down, it was actually the election day, and election day, yeah, for as far as I remember, it was election day. Okay, so what actually happened, the price fell down, gave a bit of momentum toward the upside, continue the downtrend, and the price remained just remained below the EMAs all the way. So I was a bit I would say I wasn't taking any trades around this area. I don't want to jump in the falling cliff. So once we broke above the EMA, I was a bit confident that the price kinda changed the momentum now. So what actually happened, once I saw this rejection around this area, another rejection, and another, it was a bit of an undecisive candle, but the next candle closed bullish. So I was thinking, that's what I was thinking, that we are changing the momentum now. Now we started to make a range over here, so we went back all the way towards 1.3324, went below down, took the same rejection. This where I took the trade, and I made around $6,000 on this trade as well. I exited, I closed partial profits around this area and moved my stop loss towards entry. So I was stopped around this area again, but now one big rejection again, and I was pretty much confident now we are getting a chance over here again. So what actually happened again was, I took this trade around, I entered around this area. Once we saw this rejection, another rejection, went into the candle to close, I entered around this area, which was around 1.3254, and placed my stops below, took my sought my profit target over here. What actually happened was that I took some profits around this area from where the price have melted before. Now I had two other areas in my mind, which was this one and another one, this one. So I took some profits around this firstly over here, then moved my stop loss to entry. So now I was risk free with about, I would say it was around $55,000 or $6,000 in my profit, risk free trade. I waited for the price to come back up again, took some profits around this area, and now I waited, let the price run towards the next target, which was my TP3 over here. So I took some profits over here, another profits around this area, and another profits around this area, which ended up all, if you sum up all, it made me around $18,000. So the reason to make this video was to just let you know, guys, that how you have to look into the candles. The candle itself speaks up to some of your languages. The market repeats its pattern. Just look at how the patterns have been repeated. Yeah, they won't be the same, but still enough to understand for a trader that towards where the market is going. What I think at the moment now is that the market gonna head back up again. We have seen some rejection towards upside, came back up, rejection towards upside, strong bullish candle. In the trade right now, I'll risk around just a 0.5%, just a very little risk, because we might see a downtrend again, because it's all about probabilities. No one is 100%, but we just need to be more right and less wrong. That's what trading is. That's all for the trade. I hope you guys have a good night. It's 9 p.m. over here in the Sydney local time. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.